Good morning.
Morning, teacher. Can I help you, sir?
Yes, I came here. I planning to hire a portable generator.
What kind of generator do you want, sir?
I want to hire a portable generator for 2 weeks to provide power for my home. And I don't want a noisy machine, and I only to fill the tank once a day. And the generator is must be easy to use and provide sufficient power for my home, and I don't want to pay more than $40 for one stay.
In all, sir, and several brand of portable generator. The Honda and Suzuki.
Explain in detail.
Of course, sir.
For Honda brand, what the output?
The brand can produce 700 watts of electricity, and Suzuki brand can produce 500 watts of electricity.
What kind of fuel does it use?
But push petrol.
How often uh, do I need to fill it up?
The ounce a day is off because the tank is big. Why the Suzuki needs to gas refill.
It is easy to start.
Honda brand in Asia because you only have to turn the key like when racing a car, while the Suzuki brand is more difficult because you have to pull heavy lever.
And how noisy is it?
Noise is almost the same.
By the way, how much will it cost?
Honda brand $35 for one day, while the brand Suzuki $35 for one day.
Oh, I think I will hire a Honda brand because fits it's my needs.
Nice. Sure.
Need to fill it up.